Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is an amazing, incredible juice recipe to detox the body. Now, if you're looking for something for an evening snack or for a lunch, this goes really well for you. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this together. So let's do this right now with some orange and, you know what I mean, and green and red apple and ginger and some lime. Amazing with water. Stay blessed. Let's make this together, okay? It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Okay, my beautiful people, so this evening I am back in the kitchen to give you guys a nice, simple, lovely recipe again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some baking soda in the water just like that, okay, to wash off my ingredients. It is very important for you to wash your ingredients because it helps to remove some of the pesticide, you know what I mean, whatever can harm you. All right, so we got green apple, we got red apple, we got orange, ginger, and some lime also inside of it. So I'm going to be making a beautiful, simple, healthy juice, something totally different today with you guys. You can do this at home and just make this for like an evening snack this evening. Very good to help you to detox in the gut and cleanse up the immune system, and also flush out the immune system with these natural ingredients. Take a good look right now the ingredients them, and I will name them again: red apple, green apple, orange, ginger, and some lime. All of these is basic recipe which you guys have at home in the kitchen. Sometimes when I go to the supermarket, when I blindfold them, like when I don't see them, but they are there for a purpose. So let's jump straight into this and give it. So what I'm gonna do is just rinse and pat these now underneath the top, okay? Stay tuned in, don't go anywhere, just like that. All right, we're gonna cut up one medium-sized orange inside of it. So this is the orange right here, okay? Now as you can see, I'm going to get some fresh ginger. Alright, this is the ginger. Let's put this bit right there. Alright, excellent. That's the ginger right here. We're gonna put the ginger straight inside of it. Nice piece of a ginger. Also we're gonna get the lime. The lime is important. All right, so we use the skin of the lime. All right, guys. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm always using the skin of the lime. So this is the lime we're going to put inside of it, just like that. One medium-sized lime we are using. All right, now we're going to get our red apple. So put that red apple straight inside of it like this. Okay, lovely. And we're going to get one more. have to put the green apple if you don't want to. Alright, so we're going to get the orange. We're going to get one more orange to put inside of it, because the orange definitely will help with the immune system. So what I normally do with the orange, I normally remove the skin, because the white part of the orange is amazing to use. Even the skin is very good to make teas, but next time I will walk you through that one. All right, lovely. So this is the best way you want to do your orange, to use inside of it, because the white part is the medicine of the orange. All right, remove the seeds. Yeah, that will be good if you remove the seeds. Excellent. So that's the orange. So we use 2 orange, 2 apple, 1 lime, ginger, and lime, and lemon, and lime. All right. Excellent. Now, all we're going to do is put some water inside of it. All right. Excellent. So I didn't use all of my ingredients. I still leave back some of my ingredients. Okay. Now, let's put on the lid right here. You can put more ingredients if you like to, but I just simple, you know what I mean? Now, here it is. 2 orange, 2 red apple, 1 lime, and some ginger. Lots of ginger and some water. Pretty good to go. Let's blend up this and make some noise. A smoothie, but look at this when you pour it out. All right. Now, when you pour it out, you take your time and get all of that nutriment. This is, you're gonna see when I finish with it. Oh, this come out so lovely and nice. All right, so it looks like a smoothie, but you can strain it and it's pretty good same way. All right, because the strainer is, the holes them in the strainer is a very big holes around the strainer, so a lot get to come out into the juice. This is fantastic and amazing. You don't have to throw away these. You can just YouTube what you can do the rest remainder after you strain something. There's so many things you can do with this. Okay, good vibes. All right, now let's pour it off. All right, as you guys can see, that is such an excellent recipe, especially if you put some turmeric in it. That will so beautiful. You have a little bit of mango look also, but it's the orange, you know what I mean? That is excellent and an amazing recipe for you guys to make at home. All right, breaking news. We got good stuff for you today. Remember, you can get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Get yourself a copy, guys. All right, yeah man, get yourself a copy and support the progress. Good vibes, people. Stay blessed upon yourself. All right, yeah, so go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy. The biggest thing is that Black Friday sale is on the book at the moment, so you guys can see this is it right here. That is amazing and fantastic. I want to say thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, because we have a lot more recipes like these for you. Bless upon yourself. Good vibes.